Mullvad VPN versus Windscribe. Best for bargain hunters versus. Best transparency policy. Which one wins, and which one should you choose? If you're after a VPN that balances cost with privacy, or if transparency is your priority, stick around. I'll break down both options in detail, but stay tuned because there might be a better alternative that fits your needs perfectly. First up, let's talk about Mullvad VPN. Mullvad's biggest selling point is its simplicity and its no questions asked approach to privacy. You pay anonymously, there's no email address required, and they don't store any personal data. For the privacy-conscious user, this is great, but it does come with a bit of a trade-off. Mullvad is best known for its solid privacy and no-logs policy, but when it comes to pricing, it can be a bit of a hard sell for bargain hunters. At €5 per month, it's not the cheapest, and the lack of long-term plans makes it less appealing for those looking to save in the long run. Next thing, let's compare that with Windscribe. Windscribe offers a lot more flexibility, and for the bargain hunters out there, it's definitely one to consider. Their free plan gives you up to 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is a pretty good deal if you're only using a VPN occasionally. Their paid plans also offer more variety. For as low as $4.08 per month with a yearly subscription, it's cheaper than Mullvad, and you also get access to extra features like more servers and better speeds. But of course, cheaper doesn't always mean better. While Windscribe has solid privacy policies, it's not as strict as Mullvad when it comes to logging or keeping minimal data. The fourth thing to mention here is Windscribe's transparency. Windscribe is notably more open about its operations, with clear public audits and a transparency report. They even let users see their server locations and what they're doing with your data. That level of openness might be comforting for some people, especially those who value transparency. On the other hand, Mullvad's minimalistic approach doesn't provide as much information, leaving some users wondering how much they can really trust it in the long run. Next, let's take a quick look at the user experience. Mullvad keeps it very simple. You get the VPN, you pay, and you're good to go. There's no unnecessary frills, which makes it user-friendly, but maybe a little too plain for those who like a bit of customization. Windscribe, on the other hand, offers a ton of extra features like ad blocking and a built-in firewall, but that can feel overwhelming to someone just looking for a straightforward solution. Then there's the customer support factor. Windscribe wins here with its more accessible support options, including email and a knowledge base, while Mullvad is a bit more hands-off. Mullvad's customer service isn't bad, but it's limited, which is fine if you're someone who doesn't anticipate needing much support. Now, for the real kicker, after trying both Mullvad VPN and Windscribe, and if you're looking for the best of both worlds, affordability, privacy, transparency, and good customer support, I have a suggestion for you. While both of these VPNs are solid choices, there's an alternative that outshines them in every department. If you're serious about getting the best deal and premium features, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description below for a special free trial. This trial isn't available to everyone, but it's exclusive to our viewers and offers the best combination of privacy, cost efficiency, and transparency. You won't regret it. So, while Mullvad and Windscribe have their merits, if you're after a VPN that checks all the boxes, don't miss the opportunity to grab that exclusive trial. Just click the first link in the description and see for yourself.